Welcome this video. Build a pergola over a patio. A pergola is a fantastic add to any patio. Provide shade, aesthetic appear, and a comfortable outdoor space for relax and entertainment. Whether you are an experiment or a beginning like for a new project construction, a pergola can be a reward experience. This case will take you through the step by step process of build a pergola over a patio for plan and processing to install to and finally touch plan and processing determinant the proposed and design before start construction. Consider the promax for your pergola or you like look for a decoration elements, add shade or a functional outdoor live space. You need well influencer the design size and metal. Choose whether you want a freestanding pergola or one attached to your home. Add determinant to discounting based on your patio size. Add the income or cover and decision rule design or use online tool to various your project. Select with your local build automating to determine its if you need a promise your pergola. Some have regulation ruled high size and for process like completed with those regulation with help you need final or post income the line. Choose your material. Pergola can be built for various material, wood, metal or various. Each material have its pro and choosing. Wood, traditional aesthetic, place and customization, build requested minimalities to process root, not whether metal, double and low main entrance, but may be more experiment and challenge to work with. Low main entrance and resisting to weather, but its main loach and need look forward for a classic appear. Thank you for watching this video.